Alright, welcome back to Gaming with Servo. Today we're playing Action Force for the Atari 2600. Action Force is the UK version of G.I. Joe. So we're going to get started here and see what we've got to do. Okay, so a giant cobra spitting venom at soldiers down below. And it looks like my job is to put a shield down. Oh, I lost a guy. Is to put a shield down so I can defend against the cobra. And he's moving faster. And I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be doing here. Let's see, I'm picking different levels. There we go, let's try that. I lost another guy. Oh, I can shoot at him. Okay. It doesn't seem to be doing any good. Either that I'm just not very good at shooting at him. No. Oh, we got another guy. Aha, I blocked that one. No. Oh, I lost another guy. This is a little glitchy here. I go to move my shield and everybody just does a cool little dance. So maybe I can just shoot and make them dance at the same. No, I'm gonna lose another guy. Oh, he's gone. I'm not doing well, but the score is also 0, so maybe I'm not doing badly either. Oh, that almost worked there for a second, whatever that was. Oh, I lost another guy. I'm not very good at this, whatever it's supposed to be. But that's half the fun of me playing these games, is absolutely having no idea what I'm doing. Oh, I blocked that one again. I don't know how I did it. Okay, it looks like sometimes if I hold the button down, it moves the shield, and sometimes it doesn't. Come on, shoot the guy. And now it's reset again. I think this may be broken. Oh, I got him. I got some points for it. No. Stop shooting my guys. Oh, I just barely missed that one. Come on. Why are you only shooting in one direction? So I don't think I'm going to get very far on this game because, well, I'm really not very good at it. I also don't think I have the proper controller. I think this is a paddle game and I am trying to use a Super NES pad, so I don't think it's going very well. Alright, this is going nowhere, so we're going to pick a different game. We'll be right back. Alright, we're back with Big Bird's Egg Catch. I'm just picking random games here to try them out, see what we got. Big Bird's Egg Catch. So apparently I am the biggest of birds. Oh, I want you to move, Big Bird. No. Move, bird, move. Why do you not move, bird? Alright, we're back. Game attempt number 3. Walt Disney World Magical Race. The Game Boy Color. Magical Racing Tour, I'm sorry. Walt Disney World Quest Magical Racing Tour. It's a Magical Racing Tour world after all. Hello there, Cricket's the name, Jimmy Cricket. And today I have a tale for you. It's sure to make you smile. Well, at least I hope it does. I don't think it will. So here's my storybook, blah, 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 Chip and Dale, blah, 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 Walt Disney World, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Small door, side of the castle, hidden treasures, la-di-da-da. Why do we need a storyline for a racing game? I'm confused. Shoots off the fireworks. Curious chipmunk too close to the machine. Drops some stuff into the machine. things went badly. Huffed and puffed and kablooey. Not good things. Bad chipmunk things. It's all Indiana Chipmunk's fault. Furry friends could do was run for cover. The machine smoked. It's bad if you don't smoke, kids. And sparked and blew itself apart, sending pieces flying all over Walt Disney World. It's up to you to make sure the fireworks fire tonight. You gotta help the chipmunks find pieces of the machine, put them together, blah blah blah. Everyone in the park is depending on you. Good luck. I thought I was just gonna drive a car. Indiana Jones Chipmunk. I have no idea who that is. Don't know who that is. And a red-nosed chipmunk. I don't know who that is, even though it's the exact silhouette of Jiminy Cricket. Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Or that. Or that. Or that thing. I think it's got, what's it called? Encephalitis, when your head gets really big. Yeah, there's nothing appropriate I can say about that. That is terrifying. like a duck-based Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Alright, so I'm gonna go with the really big, weird-looking dude. Where'd he go? There he is. Bruno Biggs. Sure is big. Okay, Big Thunder Mountain. There we go. Go first place to help rebuild the machine so the fireworks can happen tonight. So if I don't come in first, does that mean the other people are trying to sabotage everything? Oh, this is some tiny cars. There we go. Oh, buddy. I'm in last place. Let me take out this guy. Get him away. I'm trying to race. I gotta save the fireworks. Oh, man. These guys are good. These are professional drivers here. I cannot possibly hope to compete with their expert racing abilities. They probably already won. Where'd they all go? What I turned into a frog. What was that about? I'm so confused. There's not even like an overhead drawing of the track so we can see where we're going. Oh, we're catching up to some. Oh, it's that one guy that drinks with the red nose. Okay. I got past one of the encephalitis ducks. We're doing good, boys and girls. We're in like, I don't know, second place maybe? I wasn't paying attention. Going the distance. Jumping off of sweet ramps. Getting some coins. Hopefully not turning into a frog again. That was terrifying. Oh boy. How do you have color commentary for a Game Boy Color racing game? Oh, I almost fell off the edge. Alright, keep her going. You can do it. You gotta find this other guy. Oh, they're throwing acorns at me. You sneaky little buggers, you. No swearing. No swearing. Just clean racing. Living clean. Oh boy. I don't know where this other guy is. I gotta catch up to this guy. I don't know how many laps this is either. We might be here all day. The graphics are just choice here. I've never seen such great graphics on a game. Second place. So we have failed our mission. There will be no fireworks in Disney World tonight. Yeah. So there you go, folks. If you're at Disneyland right now or Disney World, I'm sorry there's not going to be fireworks tonight, and it's really all my fault. So I apologize in advance. So there you go. Walt Disney World Racing for the Game Boy Color. Some really patience-trying stuff there. All right, see you next time, folks.